Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to back up your Itel phone. Very easy tutorial. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to simply click on settings right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to system from the bottom side right here. So click on system and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on backup. And it's going to take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on backup now. And with that, the backup is going to start and you'll be told the amount of megabytes that you are going to use for the general backup. As you can see on the phone right here, I'm using 655 megabyte data to back up all these apps, photos, video, SMS and MMS messages, call history, device setting, Google account data, and the like. So it's as simple as that. And make sure you come down below right here and back up using mobile phone data or Meta Wi-Fi data is enabled. Make sure this is enabled, and with that, all your Itel phone is going to be backed up to Google Cloud with your Google account mail address. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to back up your Itel phone. Very easy tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.